everybody, Redodin here for TeamExo, bringing you a tutorial on how to write permissions. So the plugin we will be using today is called PermissionsEx. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to Google and Google PermissionsEx. So once you do that, we go over to Bucket. It's going to be the first link on the page. Right down there, recent files, PermissionsEx version 1.19.2. So I want you to download that and unzip the package. When you unzip the package, you will get three different files, and you're going to want to take all those files and just jam them right into your plugins folder. Don't worry about it. So once you've done that, you're going to want to start the server up here. So I'll just start mine up to generate the file, but I actually already have it. So I'm just going to say screw generating the file. I'm going to cheat, it's right here. So permissions.yml is what you're going to want to do your editing for permissions in. So as you can see, this file is pretty fucking blank. There's not much to it currently. Let me start to break it down for you here. So as you see here, you see groups. So this is just where you start writing your group names in. Do note though that it is all the way to the left on your permission.yml. So it is all the way on the left margin. As you go down the line, you will see that it says player. It says default when you get it the first time. I renamed it to player. Do notice it is 2 places over. 1, 2. So the server reads it easy. Once you do that there, you got your name 2 places over. You want to go down again, and another 2 places over. So you have defaults now. Well, default means that when people join your server for the first time, which group are they going to be put into? If this is set to true, the players will be moved to that group. So everybody that joins your server for the first time will be automatically moved to player. Now as you go down again, and 4 spaces over, do note that you will find your permissions. So this is where you actually write the permissions for the group. Also you see here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 places over. It is imperative that you know that it is 4 places over, because when you're writing these files, the most common mistake is that you do not put your spacing in correctly. Some people will just write something in randomly, but they might accidentally press tab, and when you press tab, the shit gets all messed up, but you don't know, you press return, what the hell am I doing? You get confused really quickly. So just remember to keep it all in a perfect little straight line, and you'll have absolutely no problems. So let's write some permissions in. Let's do essentials. Let's go down here and just look up in Google essentials permission nodes, in all caps of course, because my caps lock is on. It's going to be the first one right here, command reference. When it loads, essentials is really nice with their permission nodes. They like to give them to you very easily. So let's just click on heal here. Hey look, all the permission nodes. So essentials.heal, that is the node for somebody to do /heal. So for example, you want players to have /heal. I paste it in. You can write it out if you want. Personally, I just think pasting it is a lot faster. Only problem with pasting, do not paste directly from Skype, because Skype does have problems with pasting. So once you have that written there, you can just pretty much do whatever you want. Okay, I want permissions to heal themselves. Oh, I want to give them a kit as well. Let's just grab this kit one while we're here. Just copy that in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line. Bam. Now they have access to do /kit. It's pretty simple. And if you don't want them, for example, let's say you have a group that you don't want to have permission.heal, then you just do bam, that's permission to heal. You just put a / like that right in front of it. Basically says, this group doesn't have the ability to do /heal. Everybody else, go right ahead. Anyway, let me leave that there, sorry. I see in different servers you join, people have colors in their names and weird things like that. How the hell am I supposed to do that? Well, that, also, very, very easy. What you're going to want to do is look up Minecraft color codes. That's what I do at least. And it'll be the first one on the page. Go to formatting codes. So that's where you get the colors and stuff. And scroll all the way to the bottom here. There we go. These are all the colors and stuff like that. They have it all organized beautifully here. You see your colors right there in Minecraft. I'm going to speed it up here because you have to write in the words prefix and suffix. I have them already sitting on a previous file, so I'm just going to grab them just to save some time. bore you guys to death. Right there. Some guy on a motorcycle in the background. Sorry about that. So you can see here. See, it says and F and 9, things like that. Those are basically the formatting codes. So those are the things that will give color. So we go down here to our site we just pulled up. You can take a look at it. And 0 is black, and 1 is dark blue, and 6 is orange. Just all these different colors here. So let's just say, for example, we want the brackets in player to be dark red. So and 4 to have a dark red bracket. And then how about we have like a light red on the inside, and C, and then and 4 again to kind of make the other bracket red. And let's just say we want the player name to also be light red, so and C. So it just goes dark red, dark red, light red. And then suffix. Suffix is the color that they talk in chat. So right now it is set to and F, which is white, which is default. Let's say we want to give them a fun color. Let's make it purple. So now these people will be able to talk in purple text in chat. So this basically saves you the time of having to go out and download this whole color changing permission. No, it's not necessary. You can just do it from your permission.yml. And so once you do that, and you think it's all good, what you want to do is copy it and check it on a online YAML parser. I will leave the link in the description to this because it can be a little bit difficult to find sometimes. And so this just basically reads your YML and tells you if you got any problems. If you get an output that looks like this, you just see the little brackets there, it doesn't say error, then your permissions YML is good and it is ready to go. It's ready to be put into your server. However, if you don't want to run through the parser and you just think it's perfect, you can run it. You can see what happens. If your server makes it sound like this,
what the fuck?
Then you probably did something wrong. If your server makes it sound like this, then congratulations, you wrote your permissions correctly. Well, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. This has been Radodin for PermissionsEx tutorial. Peace out.